Okay, by the way, guys, we're gonna draw Pinky first. Oh, fudge! Fuck. Bro, stop! This is a kids. This is for kids. Stop. Why? It's not. Stop your mind. No, Big Bang doesn't make sense. I see good in your face for a minute. Why is too long, bro? It's too long. And too fast. It's thin. I didn't make it bigger. I have problems with the ears.
Ang pinakamasarap kasi yung sama-sama. Kahit maliit lang o konti lang yung pagsasalaw-saluhan natin, pero yung magulang mo, makakiling mo. Iba yung pakiramdam kasi
I'm sorry.
na naman ang naman sana.
Okay, I'm done.
Alalayan o magabayan yung magulang natin. Paano pag nagkasakit kayo? Sabihin nila hindi kami makakapunta kasi wala kang pamasahe.
Look, Pinky! I'm done with my pinky. I'm not done with my pinky. Just do. I'm putting it at this shine. You done? Okay, show it. What the fuck did I just do? Okay, next is Sky. Okay. I know drawing here. Wait, I don't know how to put that. Yeah, it looks like a pumpkin pie. But then, Sky and Pinky is not a relation.
Asan yung bunso?
I'm just putting Sky.
Wala, yung bunso kasi nila, bossing na dito sa medyo parang may sakit, nangangayayat eh. Parang ang payat-payat ng bunso nila.
Okay. Oh, that's cute. Huge eye. Huge eye.
Oo, kasi kaya kayo nga problema.
Sky's like,
wala na silang pagkakakitaan.
he's like saying so.
Wet na ni Johnny eh.
Done. I'm done too. Don't mind this, guys. I just. Who's more good? Look at Mano.